Today we're going to talk about the climate change with the cosine function. We realize that it's very important to know about this issue, and therefore we can predict it using this function.
The first step is to create a table of values in GeoGebra and this diagram. Then we are going to get the value of b. To get the value of b, we're going to use the period. If we take into account the last point and the first point, which is 12 minus 1, gives us 11. This is the period. If we know that the period is 2 pi between b, we can, and if we already know the period, which is 11, we just have to solve for b, and the answer or value of b is this.
To get the amplitude, which is using the highest point, which is, and then subtracting with the lowest point, which is 43.7 in our function. And then we have to divide everything by 2. So that gives us 21. It gives us the amplitude.
For the third step, we're going to get the variable d, and the way to get it is the highest value, that is 87.4, and the amplitude, that is 21.87, and we're going to subtract that. So the function moves 65.55 up.
The fourth step is to solve for c. So we can use the phase shift, since we know that it is c over b. We know that the phase shift, due to the previous slide, is 4. We know that b is 2 pi over 11. Therefore, we can say that 4 times 2 pi over 11 equals c. So now we just have to name all the values we gave. The first one being the axis of symmetry, which was 65.55. Then we have the amplitude, 21.87. After that, we got the phase shift, and that gave us 4. And the last one was the period, being 11.